Hello, this is Andrew Collinson, Research Director of SDL Partners Telco 2.0. I'm here today with Matt Vokoun from Google at the 12th Telco 2 Executive Brainstorm at New Digital Economics in Palo Alto. Matt, can you tell me what you do for a job?
Sure. I work at Google on the business operations team, which means we work on a lot of different projects around the company related to strategy or operations improvement or improving how the organization works.
Great, so it's kind of like a strategy cum consultancy team within Google.
Yes.
That's cool. And how are you finding it here today at New Digital Economics?
It's been fun to come here. For Google, right, we're part of many parts of the ecosystems that are out there in tech and telecom and media. I think as we have a role as a company that we play in all three. And so coming today has been interesting, talking with people from all three of those industries and getting people's perspective on a lot of the issues that are important to us at Google. I think it's been actually quite beneficial to come and hear how other people are thinking about some of these issues.
And have you found a lot of common threads in what you've been hearing from people?
I think you hear commonality in where the big opportunities are. Cloud, software as a service, digital lockers, a lot of things that people are talking about as interesting new things that are happening. I think there's still a lot of people debating what's the right way to go after and capture these opportunities, which companies are going to be involved in it, and really, most importantly, how are users really going to act to this, both from, it seems like there's three buckets of users everyone's talking about here quite a bit. Consumers, where there's a lot of exciting things about consumers, and then the enterprise, there's large companies versus small businesses. And I think a lot of people are trying to figure out what's the right, real compelling way that consumers and these two groups of enterprise users can use all this stuff.
Earlier today, Matt, we were talking about how, for you it's quite interesting to see how some of the telco players, the CSPs, are sometimes a little fearful of Google and other players who they see as disruptive. And yet we were talking about it and you're saying kind of part of Google's fear is the same, looking at other disruptive plays. I mean, what are the kind of things that you're looking at the moment, without giving away too many trade secrets, of course?
Yeah, well, the always go with Google is one, first and foremost, serve our users, what do they need, how are we making it better for them? And when you work and live in Silicon Valley, you just see lots of innovation going on all the time. I mean, it's great to be at Google because we see a lot of it there, but there's lots of other interesting companies doing lots of interesting things around the whole internet space. And so as a company, we just aspire to be very innovative because that's what our employees like to do. That's what I think our users expect out of us. And so it is, I think when you set the goal to be an innovative company, you kind of have this natural concern of, well, are we being innovative enough? Is there opportunities we're not seeing? So for a company like us, we actually definitely always think about it. It's like, what are the next, innovative things we can do in search and in areas related to search.
Great. Matt, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.